From the mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov.
I may have found my microphone DIY holy grail right here. This is an 87ai clone that I built, and it's based upon the Michael Fuchs 87ai clone circuit with an Arienne audio K87 capsule in there. An amazing sounding capsule on a great sounding circuit, and you get this. I really love the way this sounds. Now, what's remarkable about this circuit is that this is the only 87ai clone out there. And it's not really a full clone. It's really mostly inspired by it. But it gets it really close. And, all of the other 87 clone projects out there, they're all based on the vintage 87, the 87i. And the I is really just a designation that Neumann tacked on to let you know that it has a 3-pin XLR connector on it, I for international. So they went from the 87i to the 87ai in the mid-80s. And the 87ai was different because it polarized the capsule to 60 volts, which made it quieter, it gave it a little bit more detail, a lot more sensitive. Not a lot, but still more sensitive. It's the sound, really it's the tonality that we really think about when we think about 87s for voiceover, is really the 87ai. And the 87i is great for voiceover. It's just because it's actually polarized really at 46 volts. You get a little bit more transient smearing in there. It's a little bit more of that vintagey sound to it, a little bit warmer. A lot of people like that. And you can generally EQ the two to be, analogous of each other. And no pun intended. And so, I do feel like, am I wrong? Or is this Neumann AF? So, hold on. So this is the Neumann BCM104. This has been my daily driver here. So to me, the 87, the 104 is a more neutral 87 tonality, more balanced, and it doesn't have that mid-forward push in it. But it has that Neumann mid-range in it. And if you hear, there is definitely a familial relationship in there. And this is all because of this Arienne Audio K87 capsule, which really captures in a way that other capsules haven't so far. This Neumann mid-range, right? The beautiful reedy sound that you get with the Neumann mid-range. And you get it here too, really. You can hear that, right? It's really that Neumann signature sound is that rich mid-range. And it's right here. Listen to that. It sounds great. So let's just, summer is on its way, and so is the excitement. Summer is on its way, and so is the excitement. Right? This is not like what I would use for a commercial. Nope. But this is totally what I would use. Summer is on its way, and so is the excitement. This sounds great. Now, over here I have the TLM67, and hold on. And so while this is a completely, I would say similar, but not exactly an 87 style sound, you have the same capsule as you would on an 87ai. This is a genuine Neumann K87 in here. So this has a flatter circuit. It's transformerless. It also has coloration built into the circuitry to mimic really the soft, gentle onset of clipping with tubes. And overall, you still hear that familial relationship between the two. Summer is on its way, and so is the excitement. Summer is on its way, and so is the excitement, right? So, they're similar, they're not the same. This sounds a little bit more darker, a little bit more mysterious to me. This is a little bit more punchier. So, really, again, I'm really very, very pleasantly surprised by how great this sounds. All right, so here, I'm just going to go back and forth. I'm just going to go across. I want you to hear all three of these. Here, just anything. All right. There's a lady who's sure all that glitters is gold, and she's buying a stairway to heaven. There's a lady who's sure all that glitters is gold, and she's buying a stairway to heaven. There's a lady who's sure all that glitters is gold, and she's buying a stairway to heaven. Lease one now for only $225 a month. Lease one now for only $225 a month. Lease one now for only $225 a month. So, yeah, I like this microphone a lot. This is not an easy circuit to find. You have to go to Group DIY and search for Michael Fuchs, search for this circuit. And then you have to contact him directly. And I don't think he has many boards left. I'm snarfing up at least one more set. But yeah. But it's this capsule. It is this capsule that really takes this to the next level. This may be the microphone. This may be it. I mean, look, I get excited over new microphones, but I think I've been inching closer and closer to getting this sound. And I like this one a lot. So, Nation, what do you think? The Fuchs 87. Leave a comment. Until next time, this is Mark Yoshimoto Nemcoff, fading to black.